Everyone shut the fuck up! Everyone shut. Dora the Explorer is missing. There she is. We found her. Hold on, stop. Okay. Pink Floyd, Wish You Were Here, is a song.
Yeah.
I completely forgot what I was gonna say. Well, we were just alright, here's the story. We were just playing Pink Floyd. This loud. Look at the running over the same old ground. Alright. And there's a little girl. And their family's missing. And we're banging Pink Floyd over here, okay? Banging Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. Alright? And it's so loud. So loud that she cannot hear herself. I have to call Walmart. Oh my gosh, shut up.
Her parents have a rat.
Mother. Alright, I'm calling Walmart.
Go, Diego, go.
Oh my god. That's correct.
Oh, these are getting cooler. Slowly.
Yeah. 753. Probably the wrong numbers.
Just look it up.
Message JN.
Not the number to Walmart.
Look it up. Google it.
I was. It's 7846.
Message JN22.
You typed it in wrong again. They're leaving.
Thank you for calling Walmart.
Why is it on speaker? It's audio recording.
Thank you for calling Orange Hotel Walmart. How can I direct your call?
Yeah, do you guys know if you have fidget spinners?
No, we don't.
Do you know of anywhere in town that would?
No.
Alright.
Do you know when they're gonna be back in stock?
I don't know that.
Okay, real question then. Where am I supposed to get my fidget spinners?
You probably can order online.
Really? Do you know how much they would cost?
No, I don't.
Alright, sorry, I'm sorry. I'll hang up. Goodbye. Alright, our search for fidget spinners. Dead end. Walmart, dead end. Kmart, maybe.
This is the
if they're not all
only-
stolen.
We have to go to Des Moines.
We might have to.
Yes.
The fidget spinner.
Yes.
We're not going to Des Moines.
Why not?
We can order them online. That's what Walmart lady said.
I don't want to do that.
Amazon Prime, dude. One day
Bro,
shipping.
I want to fucking do it today. It's our goal.
Let's just go steal some. Let's go to like a park and there'll be like an edgy 5-year-old that has one and we can steal it from him.
Yes.
Alright, just call Kmart, see if there's any
Hey, I
easy
can't.
way.
My internet is poop.
Just Google it. Oh.
ma'am. Connie Marchand camera. Jake, how can I help you?
Do you know if you guys sell fidget spinners?
We sell them. We do not have any in stock right now.
Do you know when you'll get them back in stock?
We do not. The next truck comes in Thursday, though, so I check Thursday evening and Friday morning.
Do you know anywhere we could find them?
Walmart sells them, but they're out as well, to the best of my knowledge.
Alright.
Alright, thanks,
Thank you.
brother.
No problem. Bye.
Fucking nigger!
Marchand camera, this is Jake. How can I help you?
Do you guys know if you sell tobacco grinders?
Say again?
Do you sell tobacco grinders?
Tobacco grinders?
Yeah.
1 second to find out. You still there?
Yeah.
We do not sell them. I try Walmart or the Casey's up next to the highway. They have a lot of tobacco do-it-yourself stuff over there.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Bye.
Yeah.
What if it's weed?
Oh.
Thank you for calling Targeting Inc. This is Tanya. Please direct your call.
Hey, do you have any fidget spinners?
No, we don't.
Okay. Do you know anywhere that does?
I have no idea where they're sold in stores.
Okay.
You could probably just check Amazon though.
All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge.